Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to get that legendary Super Pro 125 McCulloch. This was made in 1976. It's a 123cc motor, capable of running up to a 60-inch bar. This one's got a 36-inch sprocket nose bar. And this one hasn't been run in a long time. I got it, gassed it up, and it started and fired right up. Be aware, if you're collecting these, this is a good runner. If you're wanting to cut timber with it every day, you know, it's been setting for years, you may have to do some tuning on it. And let's take a close look at it. Got the McCulloch carburetor on it. Got the serial number right there. Got the large falling spike. That muffler's got a weld on it. These little covers would break off and they'd tack weld them back on. Appears to be working good. And it's a running, working old McCulloch 125 chainsaw. Go outside and make a cut with it.